Hey, I'm Adrian from Flow Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to install our new front splitter on both the BRZ and GR86. Let's get to it. Okay, before we get into our install today, I just want to explain a little bit about our splitters. Our splitters are available in both a gloss black and a scratch resistant texture. The gloss black is going to be great for that street look, whereas the scratch resistant texture is going to be great for those of you who are planning to go to track or do hill runs, that sort of thing. Along with the different finishes, we also have our adjustable and bolt-on accessories. These are made to work with our splitter. We have our front extensions here and our front winglets. You can run these both together or separately, and you can adjust their position however you like and customize it to your liking. Once you're ready, you can just bolt them up and you're ready to go. Along with that, we also supply our kits with black stainless steel hardware, so we got you covered for all the mounting. With that all said and done, let's hop into our install. Okay, so to start our install, we need to remove a few parts. We're going to loosen up this wheel liner. On both sides, there is 3 clips that you need to take out for either side. And then we're going to take out this main under tray, which is held in by 3 bolts and a few clips at the front. To do this, you're going to need a trim remover tool and a 10mm socket. Let's go do that. Okay, once you remove that first under tray, there's a secondary one which is held in by 3 bolts. It is made to clip off, but it's easier to remove the 3 bolts, so we'll do that. Okay, final step is this front bumper bracing in here. There's only 2 clips up at the top. You take those out and then lift up as you pull out towards you. Okay, so if you're installing this on a BRZ, your best point of reference for alignment will be the back corner, which should line up flush to the painted edges of your front bumper. Okay, now that we got everything removed, we can go ahead and take our splitter and clamp it up in place. Once you're happy with the alignment, you got it right on both sides, we can go ahead, take a cordless drill and an 8mm drill bit and start drilling our mounting holes. Just be mindful that we do have thread in our splitter for our adjustable accessories, so make sure that the holes you're drilling through are clear before you go and drill through. Okay, now that we got everything clamped in place, we're happy with our alignment on both sides, we can go ahead and take a cordless drill with an 8mm drill bit and start to drill our mounting holes. Just be mindful, there is a thread that we use for adjustable accessories towards the front that's a little hard to see. Make sure that you don't drill that. But other than that, we're all good to go. Okay, now that we've got our splitter clamped in place, we're happy with the alignment on both sides. We can go ahead, get a cordless drill with an 8mm drill bit and start to drill our mounting holes. Just be mindful, we do have brass thread in our splitter and we don't want to drill through those holes. So keep that in mind and let's go. Okay, now we got our mounting holes all drilled out, we're going to pop in a few spacers. These will be supplied with the fitting kit. The thinner one is for the BRZ and the thicker one is for the GR86. Okay, before we go ahead and start mounting up our hardware, just want to point out there are a few larger, few washers that have a larger internal diameter. These are meant to work with our Chicago bolts. There will be 4 of these with your fitting kit. Just make sure that you find the correct ones and put them aside so you don't accidentally use them for any other mounting points. Okay, once we've put aside those washers for the Chicago bolt, we can go ahead and start mounting everything up. For this, you're going to need a 4mm hex bit with either a cordless drill or impact driver and a 10mm ratchet or socket wrench. Okay, to do up our fasteners, you're going to need a few tools. You're going to need a 4mm hex bit with a cordless drill or impact driver, a 10mm wrench, and a 4mm Allen key. Let's go do it. For those of you who are installing this on a GR86, your best points of reference for alignment will be this hole, which replaces the OEM clip, and this inner corner, which should be flush to the back of the painted edges of the bumper. There is also this corner here where the top of the bevel should line up to the painted corner of the bumper. Okay, we got our front splitter fully mounted. Everything's put back as it should be. Now we're going to go ahead and put on our optional adjustable accessories. We have both the front extensions and the front winglets. We're going to go ahead and tuck them on now. Okay, we've got our textured front splitter installed on the BRZ and our gloss front splitter installed on the GR86. They're both loaded up with our bolt-on adjustable accessories. Hope this video has helped you out, and if you're interested in any of the products, the link will be below in the description. Thanks for watching.